Here and welcome to Forex Blue Hub, and in this video I'm going to show you our next week gold trading analysis on daily, weekly, and H1, H4, and finally M15 time frame. Okay, if we firstly start from the weekly time frame, as you can see, the market is on a strong buy trend. Okay, from the long time. There is a lot of fundamental sentiment on this market right now, like US election and Israel and Palestine war and many more. So we have to concern about the market, and as you can see, the last week market moves a lot. And if we select on daily time frame, as you can see there, also in daily time frame market is strong bullish. So I just want to start from the H4. Okay, so if we zoom out little bit more, as you can see there, we just draw here three support and resistance line. That means there is one line, two, and three. Okay, and each and every line connected with a lot of support and resistance. As you can see there, for this support line there is 1, 2, 3, 4 time it just does, and each respected, and one time it just break and go up. Okay, so there is another one support line near the market, 1, 2, 3, 4 time over here. Okay, and if we see the resistance line above the market right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so there is something all in this line. That's why market is respecting all of them. Okay, if we make it H1 time frame for now, and let's wait till the process, and let's zoom out little bit more. As you can see that I just draw a trend line over here because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 time market just respected that. Okay, and for now you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what will be happen on Monday, or what for now, or what for next? So for the latest perspective, as you can see, the market just break the trend line over here, and it just going down, and it just respected this support line and trying to go up. Okay, for now, if market come back again and break this support line, okay, then we will take sell till 2476. Okay, or if it unable to break, that means, as you can see there is already a pin bar and engulfing engulfing confirmation to go buy. So it may go till around 2515, or maybe around that area. Okay, minimum that area. So for the 15-minute time frame, okay, as you can see there, market just trying to go up, and we can draw another rectangle over here as the support zone. Okay, so for now market is completely buy. Okay, it may go till around 2513, or it may go till around 2513 or something over like 2518, and if it go over here, it may go down from there, or if it break, we will take buy entry from that area. Okay, and if it go down and break this support line, that means this red rectangle, then we can take sell. Okay, so this is the basic trading theory, that means basic technical analysis from Mr. Boom, and we will share a lot of technical analysis on the market days, that means Monday to Friday. So if you see this video especially from YouTube, you may follow our Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. So hopefully all things is clear now. If you have any query or question, you can ask us on Telegram anytime. So that's for now. Happy trading. Have a nice day.